Starting the day with a cleansing, refreshing drink of lemon water does wonders for the system. Besides ensuring optimum hydration, lemon water has multiple benefits for the body and mind. Add in ginger, cucumber and mint and you have an incredible detoxifying solution to keep you at your best all day. Lemon is well known for its pH balancing properties. Although it has quite an acidic taste, it is inherently alkaline and helps the body maintain its balance. It is a powerful disinfectant and antibacterial compound, aiding in the treatment many conditions from bad breath to cholera, and has 22 anti-cancer properties. 1 lemon, 1/2 cucumber, 1/4 ginger root, 1/2 cup mint leaves. Peel a small amount of ginger before you cut it. Slice up all the ingredients and add it water. If you want to get the most out of the ingredients, do not throw them out after one use. Generally, they will last around 3 days if you keep adding new water. Drink first thing in the morning for optimum results.